Hello, hello, my darling dears. So you are here because you are getting ready to start a garden and you have no idea what zone you in, what a zone is, how to find a zone, and I'm here to help you with all of it, okay? So I'm not going to overcomplicate anything. I'm just going to tell you that a zone is just basically how they identify the weather, the climate, for your growing conditions. Okay, so every place in the United States, in every place in the world, has a zone. All right, and this zone is given with a number as well as a letter. The letter gets further specific, but the number will give you the general. This is what your climate is like. Now, in addition to just telling you in general what your climate is like, it will actually tell you what crops grow best in that area. It will tell you about the time that you should plant certain crops, as well as when the first and the last frost will hit. Of course, these are all things that you want to know as you begin your garden. So let me show you exactly how to find your specific zone.
Alrighty, so go ahead and go to garden.org and you'll come to this page right here. As you'll see, like it tells you what a zone map is, but we're going to go up to that area where it says zip code. Click on zip code and type in one of your zip codes. So I'm going to type in one of my school zip codes. All right, soon as you type in the zip code, you'll see it gives you your zone. It's in 6A. It tells you like, hey, this is what that actually means. And if you scroll down, once again, just showing you everything that it has to offer. But this is what's a goodie, okay? Scroll back up and click on planting calendar for your area. And what you will see here is it tells you when your frost-free growing season is. It tells you what your spring planting strategy should look like. So these are the crops that are best planted during that time. And then it also gives you specific dates that you should consider being your growing season. Now, it doesn't just do it for the spring. If you continue to scroll, it also does it for the fall as well.